How to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Open your web browser, go to Google and search for VirtualBox. Click on it. Click on Download. Select the Windows host option to download the installation package. After downloaded, open it to start the installation process. Click Next on the initial setup window. Accept the agreement. Accept the default installation location and click Next. Click Next and then Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Finish when the installation is complete. Now launch the application. Now you can install various operating systems like Ubuntu, Windows 10 or other Linux distributions using VirtualBox on your Windows 11 machine. And that's how you can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.